Getting through this wall is just the beginning. There's a whole lot of real estate in between here and the outside walls. Infirmary's the closest building to those walls. And the weakest link in the security chain. Cool.
Prison Break. Now Prison Break is a must-watch series. It came out in the mid-2005 and is still rocking till today. So today in this video, I will tell you why you should binge watch Prison Break and what makes it one of the best series in my list. So Prison Break starts with Michael Scofield, who is a genius structural engineer who walks into a bank and starts shooting randomly on the ceiling. Yes, the main character tries to rob the bank, but then instantly we figure out that it wasn't his intention at all.
The vault. Open it.
We can't. The branch manager's not here. Sir, you have $500,000 cash in your bag. Don't you think it would be better?
At the next scene, the police arrives and Michael surrenders himself. After a while, he was charged for a 5-year sentence of jail in Fox River Penitentiary.
This is the police. You are completely surrounded. Put down your weapon. Put down your weapons now.
After being transferred to prison, we see that Michael meets his elder brother Lincoln Burrows, who was convicted and put on death row for the assassination of the brother of the vice president. But according to him, he was being framed for the crimes he hasn't committed. Michael tells Lincoln that he was here for him and he is getting him out of the prison by breaking out with a full-fledged plan he has developed.
Michael.
Let's go. Come on, man. Keep moving. Keep moving. Come on.
Why?
Let's go, man. Come on.
I'm getting you out of here.
Come on.
It's impossible. Not if you design the place it isn't.
Michael then shows tattoos on his body to Lincoln, which was actually the blueprints of the prison and other key steps they will be needing to break out. The tattoos were encrypted, made by Michael himself, that only he could understand.
You've seen the blueprints. Better than that. I've got them on me. Are you kidding me? Look closer.
There are many characters throughout the first season and they are just perfect for the roles they have been given. Though not everything Michael planned to escape prison worked out, and he has had to take alternatives, and everything he chose was just nail biting. Michael is a genius, no doubts. He coped up, improvised and sacrificed many things every time anything that gone wrong with the plans.
I'm coming after you.
I doubt it.
Now you might feel I have told you a lot already, but trust me, this was not even 5% of what the whole Prison Break is all about. I only spoke about the first season, first episode and the first few minutes, which you will see in the trailer itself. But trust me, all the episodes have so much content. Even the first episode, I think the pilot episode of the Prison Break was one of the best pilot episodes ever, and has so much content, and it will get you hooked up after watching the first episode itself. There is a lot of content throughout the whole first season, and a lot, I mean a lot. Everything he planned, everything he had tattooed on his body, everything that goes wrong, everything that goes right, every friend he made, everything is just awesome. There are 5 more seasons and every seasons are different. The first season was about Michael breaking out of the prison with his brother. The second is I might spoil you a little, but okay, this is okay. You will not know the content, but it will motivate you actually to watch the series even more. The first season contains of Michael breaking out of the prison. The second is running from the police as fugitives, and the third is again Michael gets into a prison and you must watch how he breaks out. And fourth is something political. They chase out after a thing that is the government secret, but let's not discuss it. And the fifth season is again a prison in which Michael was kept. All of the seasons are just a bonus to your boring life, and if you want something thrilling for this quarantine, this is the best choice for you. To wrap up, I did like to say Prison Break was one of the best series to binge watch. A story of how a successful engineer gets to prison to save the life of his brother, and an adventurous journey of the brothers and friends breaking out of the prison. I would totally recommend you to give it a watch at least, and also it is very addictive and easy to get hooked up after just one or a couple of episodes. So I guess that will be it for this video, and I really hope you enjoyed the video and got something informative from me, and that will be it. So I will meet you in the next video. Until then, thank you.